What is Afterpay and how does it work with Target?
Hello everyone. Today, we are going to demystify Afterpay, a buy now, pay later service, and discuss how it collaborates with one of America's largest retailers, Target.
What is Afterpay?
Afterpay is a financial technology company that provides an innovative buy now, pay later service. Instead of paying for a purchase all at once, Afterpay allows consumers to split the cost into 4 equal payments that are made every 2 weeks without any interest charges, provided payments are made on time.
How does Afterpay work?
Once you've created an Afterpay account and have been approved, you can use it at participating stores, online or in person. When checking out, you select Afterpay as your payment method. Afterpay will split your total purchase amount into 4 equal installments. You pay the first installment upfront, and the remaining 3 installments are due every 2 weeks. If you miss a payment or fail to pay on time, however, you will be charged a late fee.
How does Afterpay work with Target?
Target is one of the many retailers that offer Afterpay as a payment option. This service can be used for both in-store and online purchases at Target. When shopping online at Target, you add items to your cart as usual. When you're ready to check out, select Afterpay as your payment method. You'll be redirected to the Afterpay website to complete your purchase. In a Target physical store, you'll use the Afterpay app. Open the app, select the Card tab, and then tap Card again to display a digital Afterpay card. You'll show this card at the register, and it will be treated just like a regular credit or debit card. Note: the maximum purchase limit when using Afterpay at Target is $1,000. To wrap up, Afterpay is a convenient tool for managing larger purchases by splitting them into smaller, more manageable payments over time. Its integration with Target provides customers with an additional flexible payment method, making shopping at Target even more customer-friendly. Remember, it's always important to use services like Afterpay responsibly to avoid unnecessary late fees. We hope you found this information useful. Happy shopping!